Bratz, if you are a glasses wearer and you also love your Quest 2, you don't want to wear contacts to play VR, VR can be a very hard thing to do because so many facial interfaces don't really like to accommodate glasses. Oh gosh. And when they do, and then you try and take the headset off, it might come with it. Simumu is trying to change that with a facial interface they advertise is made for glasses. Let's find out. $29 is what this is gonna cost you, although for some reason it went unavailable again on Amazon, I saw today. I don't know if that's because it sold out or because maybe they decided it wasn't working out very well. So basically, if we look at this, it looks like it's just more bowed out because it's not really wider. It's just the shape is a bit more open. It's got vents on it like other facial interfaces. Boy, first test right there. We don't have pads on it yet, but first test, it feels like that just went right on the way I'd want it to if I was wearing glasses. Feels like once you get the pads on, you're kind of running into the same problem, but let's try this actually on a headset. This headset. Facial interface test number 1 with glasses on. Oh boy. Now it can come down to your head strap and stuff too, but this facial interface, I don't know, it's supposed to be making room for it. I still feel like it's not a great experience. Once you get them in there, just like any other facial interface, they feel like they are pinned in place and taking them off is just a pain. Ugh. But it could be worse, because apparently the KKCOB one is just impossible to get your face into with glasses on. The BoboVR F2 facial interface kit's in there, but it's kind of doing the same thing as all the others. It's pushing on them. Maybe this got discontinued because I feel like it's not any better than any of the others, even though it's advertised for glasses. And it looks like on the website, it's gonna work better by the shape, but it's not really doing it. I'm gonna try this other pad they include, but it just really looks like it's like pretty much every other facial interface. And who knows, maybe by the time this video's out, you're not gonna be able to get it because maybe it just straight up got discontinued. Yeah, you're having to do the same thing you always have to do with, at least with wider frame glasses like these. You're having to put the head strap up, push it on, pull the head strap down, and then if you try to just take it off, it's coming with it. So, Simumu Facial Interface. It's basically like most other plastic interfaces. It snaps in just fine. It comes with pads, a nose guard. For 29 bucks, it's one feature that made it stand out from the crowd. It doesn't really do any better. I'm not gonna recommend it. No link in the description, unfortunately, and plus you can't even buy it right now for some reason, so who knows? Sorry, glasses wearers, you're still in a tough spot. Hopefully someday someone makes a really good thing for you. I know that PSVR 2 is looking more towards glasses owners, and what some people actually do is they rock a Halo strap with no facial interface. So then you can just pop this thing on and you can just have it float out in front of your glasses and still see. And then when you come up and down, you have no problem there. So that might be something to think about if some of you don't have it. For more active games, it could get a little wild though, because you're gonna be bouncing around and stuff and you might kind of feel it shake around. But I know like Lipnox VR, who's on our podcast, he rocks his headset. He doesn't wear glasses with it, but he rocks his headset like this all the time and just likes that open air because then nothing's pushing on your face. It prevents all the fog. So that still might be one of the better ways to go if you're wearing glasses. Do you wear glasses in VR? What do you do? Have you found anything that actually works? It is tough, I know. Besides those prescription lenses that are expensive that I have that you snap in, those are really nice. So what do you do out there? I'd love to hear in the comments. Thank you for coming out. I will see you in another reality.